demonstration of how Trimble Earthworks 2D works. So this is the height I am shooting for. I benchmark. Bench elevation is success. I've got my laser set up at a tall point on the top of the pile. Laser strike auto accepted. I can dig there and it'll be to grade, or I can climb this pile. Okay, so my elevation is changed. So all I do is swipe through that same laser, and everything I dug to, right on grade, ½ inch off. So you can change elevation, so each time you move, you just have to swipe through that laser. You're using the laser as a constant plane and a constant elevation. So each time you move, you swipe and just keep on digging.